Hello friends, today we learn about Galla Restro Sales Counter. This is the dashboard of the Restro app, and let's start with new sales. So new sale will enable you to create a customer order. Let's click on new sale and this page will appear. Now you can select the dish or the dishes that customer has selected. You can select as many dishes as you want here. Alright, now once these dishes are added to the cart, select the mode of payment, cash, card, UPI or wallet. As of now, let's click on this UPI. The bill summary will appear. Now click on generate bill and wait a little. See, order is successfully placed and now you can send the invoice via email or SMS, and you can also print the invoice. So if you want to email, just enter your email address and click on email. The invoice will be shared on the email address. So that's how you can create new sale or new order. Now we have this another option, that is customer history. So this page will appear. Now here you can enter the customer mobile number, and once you click on this search tab, this icon, the details will appear like the invoice number, location, payment amount, type, data, and all other details. It will appear right here. So that's how you can simply check the customer history. Now we have another option, that is billing history. Alright, so here we have the billing history. Now let's say you want to choose the transaction type. You can check this billing history based on payments made through wallet, alright, or maybe through UPI. So now as we are making the changes here, you can see that this data is getting changed. So let's try for the cash. Alright, so no data for the cash. We'll click on UPI and the invoice number, date, status, type, amount, all this will appear here. Alright, so that's how you can check the billing history. So yeah, that's all about the Restro app. Hope this helps you. Thank you.